If you've ever worked online or with a team, you've definitely heard of Slack and Microsoft Teams. These two platforms dominate the world of workplace communication and remote collaboration. But which one is actually better? Whether you're managing a corporate team or running a startup, today I'll break down Slack versus Microsoft Teams, features, pros, cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for you. Let's get started. First, what are Slack and Microsoft Teams? Both are digital communication platforms designed to replace messy email threads and help teams stay organized. They allow you to chat through messages, share files, hold video meetings, integrate workflows, and manage projects. But even though they aim to solve the same problem, they do it in very different ways. Slack overview. Slack is famous for being clean, fast, and easy to use. It organizes conversation using channels. You can create channels for teams, projects, or announcements. You can also send private messages, pin important content, and even keep things organized with threads. It offers powerful search, file sharing, reminders, and Slack Connect, which lets you collaborate with people outside your organization, like clients or freelancers. Pros of Slack: very intuitive and beginner-friendly interface. Supports over 2,400 third-party app integrations like Google Drive, Trello, and Notion. Powerful search filters and chat organization. Great for startups, agencies, and remote teams. Cons of Slack: limited features on the free plan. Video calls are basic compared to Teams, can feel noisy if channels aren't managed well. Microsoft Teams overview. Now let's talk about Microsoft Teams. Teams is built by Microsoft and integrates deeply with Office 365 tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, and OneDrive. It's a unified hub for chat, meetings, video calls, file collaboration, and even project planning. Unlike Slack, Teams lets you work on documents together inside the app, no downloading needed. It also offers pre-built workflow templates, guest access, and enterprise-level security. Pros of Microsoft Teams: best for companies already using Office 365. Built-in video conferencing is excellent real-time document collaboration. Highly secure with advanced admin controls. Cons of Microsoft Teams: interface can be overwhelming, requires Microsoft account to get full benefit, heavy on system resources, ease of use, and customization. Slack wins when it comes to simplicity. It's easy to set up, customize with channels and emojis, and start using immediately. However, it doesn't come with built-in workflow templates. You'll need apps for automation. Teams, on the other hand, has more built-in structure. It offers ready-to-use templates for project management, onboarding, or customer service workflows. But there's a slight learning curve, especially for new users. Integrations and workflow. Slack shines in third-party integrations. If your team uses tools like Asana, Notion, HubSpot, or Google Workspace, Slack makes it easy to connect everything. Teams wins for Microsoft ecosystem users. If your company uses Outlook, OneDrive, or SharePoint, Teams brings everything together seamlessly. Final verdict: which is better? So, Slack or Microsoft Teams? Here's the bottom line. Choose Slack if you want a clean, flexible, and modern communication tool. Perfect for startups, creative teams, and businesses using mixed tools like Google Workspace and Notion. Choose Microsoft Teams if you want a powerful all-in-one collaboration system. Best for medium to large companies already using Microsoft 365. Both are excellent, but overall, Microsoft Teams offers more value for businesses, especially for team collaboration and video meetings. However, for ease of use and communication speed, Slack is the winner. Let me know in the comments. Which one do you think is better for your team, Slack or Teams? If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.